Hi everyone, welcome to a new video and welcome to a new project. Hope everyone's good. Right, so I done a 350-mile journey yesterday to pick this one up. It's another Corsa C. As you probably know, as you get to know me, I have a few of these on a monthly basis. And this is the next one. Okay, so I'll spin you around and show you what we got. So first things first, as you can see, only clocked 40,000 miles. Now I've checked this is genuine mileage. All the MOTs back it up, and the previous MOTs and stuff like that. It's got full service history to back it up as well. And all the books and stuff like that from brand new. So that's a good start. We got CD player, which is all working. Works fine. So that's not a bad start, eh? Alright, so let's show you around the vehicle. Seats are really good. Nothing on the edges, which is unusual on a Corsa C. So they'll just need a good hoover and a wetback. Same with the carpets. Need a good hoover and a wetback. And a new set of mats. Door cards are good. Same with the back seats. Good hoover and a wetback. And we're looking good. Let's take the key out and get rid of that noise. So that's not a bad start, eh? We've got electric windows. Same in the boot, the carpet's all good, but needs a good clean. No stains or nothing like that, just needs a good clean. Got a rear partial shelf, just needs a hoover over. So it's pretty good. Obviously the outside of the car is going to need a clean, at minimum. Then we go to the side, as you can see. Car's pretty much mint. Horrible wheel trims, so if you know me, you know I'm going to take them off and they're going straight in the bin. Don't know why people put the 5-lug nuts on the 4-lug cars. But I get this quite often, but they're coming off, and obviously a genuine set of trims will go on there. Very tidy car. A teeny little bit on the bottom of this door. That is a teeny bit. No, that's actually mud. That's even better. That's not even a mark. There's a tiny bit on the edge of the sill here, which I'm going to mask and just blow that in. Got a small scuff on the edge of the bumper. Scuff on the edge of the bumper there, if you can see, but most of that is going to come out with the mop. And then we'll just touch in the bits if we need to, or blow them in if we have to. Bonnet's mint apart from 2 stone chips, which should just get touched in. Round to this side. This side of the car is really good, but there is a bit on the driver's door. It's pretty hard to see, but there is a ripple dent on the whole area of this door here. So this door is going to be taken off and replaced, because we can't have it on a car like this. So that's one of the jobs on the list that need doing. Obviously we need to do around all the edges of the trim like normal. Get rid of all the mould and stuff like that. Roof's all good, so no lack of peel or nothing like that, which is great. Another reason why I bought the car. I haven't been underneath it, but I'm guessing the underneath is as good as on top. Sills are looking good from what I can see. Floors and stuff are nice. As I said, it's got full service history, so everything's been done, including the timing chain kit. Looks like the filter there is a recent filter as well. Alright, so let's have a look under the bonnet, shall we? Headlights are going to need my normal treatment to get the misty yellow off them, and they'll be crystal clear again. Under here then. So as you can see, pretty dirty compared to how my cars normally are. But obviously I haven't even started this one yet. So we'll be getting all this off, making this look brand new. Should come up really well, obviously, with that sort of mileage. No rust under here either. Engine's all nice and clean. No oil leaks or nothing like that, which is great. Belts look new. Antifreeze is all topped up how it should be. I've checked the oil as well, and that's already where it should be. So not a bad starting vehicle. So let me know in the comments what you think. Paid $5.50 for this one, plus fuel and travel costs, which sounds like quite a lot of money for a Corsa C, but not with that sort of mileage, with a full service history, one owner. That's pretty good, I think. Getting chased around by bees here. There's a load of beehives in the woods behind me. It's probably not a good spot to be doing this. So, yeah, like I say, let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll get on with this project. As you can probably see, this is only going to take a few days, and that'll be ready and done. So there's only going to be a couple of videos on this one. We'll go through our normal stuff and see what she looks like when she's finished. The first thing we'll be doing will be the hoover out. As you can see, it's got a bit of grass and dirt and bits and pieces, but nothing that won't come up. So we'll get that done. I think I'll do that today and then wet back it, because obviously in this heat it's going to dry nicely, and we'll go from there. Another thing is, we're going to do this build slightly different to what I would normally on the builds that I normally do at the garage. I had a few messages saying, yeah, it's easy for me to do this sort of work, and I've got a garage and all the stuff to do it with. So we're going to do this one DIY style, just to prove that it can be done without all the stuff in the garage, basically. So we'll go through this one. None of the paintwork will get done in the booth, or nothing like that. Won't go up on the ramp to do any work or anything like that. And we'll go from there. So keep a lookout for the videos. As I say, there'll only be 2 or 3 on the whole series of this one, because there's not really too much to do. And we'll see how we get on. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep an eye on the videos for the next one, and I'll see you soon in the next video.